Hello there, guys. Today, we're going to be playing 3 matches arena mode to see how good my skill is. 3 rounds, no matter if we lose or win, in 3 different lobbies. Oh my god! Over here! I'm over here, bro. Did I pickaxe, bro, or did I murder, or did I shoot him? Okay, so it's
We got a blue coming. We got a blue coming.
And it don't look good.
I'm not blue, I'm black. Hey.
No.
Stop molesting me! So by your particular circumstances, I will gladly to lick you. That's right. You're my editor. Yes or no? Oh my god. I did not say anything, bro. Bro. So guys, this is gonna be it for today's video. Like and subscribe, I guess.